Hello, good morning everyone. Assalamualaikum. My name is Khalid. I'm from TFS Pre Section Trading. Today I'm going to share with you USD Canadian dollar on H4. I'm targeting to buy and I'm going to explain to you why. Today is a public holiday, 21st January 2019. For USD CAD, I'm targeting to buy because last week, if you see Forex Factory, so this is the news for Canadian dollars. So there's already high impact news last week, and the impact has yet to be seen on the pairs. Let's go back to the chart. So as you can see from H1, actually the price has tried to move up after the news last week on Friday, but it doesn't go up so strong. And then if you see other USD pairs, for example like USD CHF and USD JPY here, so you can see that the US dollar pairs has already gone up very strongly. USD CAD is yet to move, so I'm expecting the price to go up. Not only that, if you see the correlation between AUD USD, which usually when USD CAD goes up, AUD USD goes down. So the AUD USD has been going down steadily. NZD USD, which is correlated to AUD USD, has also started to fall. So I'm expecting USD Canadian dollar to rise up. So the first resistance will be at this area. I can see there are many times that price tries to breach this level, but it fails. So if price managed to breach this level at 3285, then it will try to break another level here, which is another high. So I'm targeting, so this is around the big round number area. So if you manage to break this area, then we are going to see, perhaps you can target the maximum will be around this point, 250 pips. But let's not be too optimistic. We can set it at maybe around here. So that's around 100 pips from here. As for your risk, if you are entering the trade from here, then your risk will be a bit lower here. I'm just going to put one line there. So you can put your stop loss around here. I've already calculated it's around 50 pips. Yeah, it's around there, 50 pips. Because now it's a Monday morning, you might want to wait until at least Euro session before you are making your trade or decision. Because there's a tendency that there might be some movement to the downward first before it goes back up. And you need to be aware that this could also be a head and shoulder formation, which is a sign for continuation. You can see there's a left shoulder here, there's a head, and the right shoulder might be forming here before it goes back down. But again, like I've explained, AUD USD has already on the way to go down, and NZD USD is starting to go down even further. So for USD CAD, I'm still targeting to buy. So from last 2 weeks, you can see that USD Canadian dollar has dropped 450 pips from here. It dropped 450 pips, so we are expecting the price to retrace. Maybe at least it will retrace around 100 or 200 pips before continuing down if it still wants to go down. So I see there's a good opportunity to buy here. So the $1,000,000 question is always, where do I enter my position? Like I said just now, if you enter your position here, your stop loss should be here. You want to wait to enter your position here, you can, but can you guarantee that the price will reach that area? You can't. You don't want to get into a FOMO mode. FOMO, fear of missing out. You're afraid that you miss out, so you just enter your position here, and you know that your maximum risk will be somewhere around here. When you're trading, don't go for the top or bottom. As long as your entry doesn't hit your stop loss, it should be fine. And like I said, the target is around 100 pips. So if you are risking 50 pips, you still get a risk to reward ratio of 2/1. So that's it for now. I'm going to update you the result later once I already taken my position. For now, I'm still monitoring. While waiting for our trade to move, I would like to invite you guys to Traders Fair Gala Night, which will be held in Malaysia on 27th of April this year. It will be held in Intercontinental Hotel, which is in Kuala Lumpur. You can get the full details on the website, which is malaysia.tradersfair.com. There will be a lot of seminars going on that day. I'll be one of the speakers. There will be exhibition by the brokers, and if you stay until the end of the event, there will be lucky draws, and also there will be a gala night where you can mingle with traders from all over the world, as well as key person of brokers. This is an international event. It's not only held in Malaysia, but they will also have it in Thailand, Egypt, South Africa, Singapore, and many more. The admission is free, but you need to register. Please go to the website and click on this button to get your ticket. You cannot join the event if you don't register. Again, like I mentioned, it's free, so please register quickly. So for those who came, you get a chance to learn from me. So I'll see you there, okay? Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the result of the trade that I took. I got two positions at 3255 and 3260. So as per my analysis earlier, that's the area that I targeted where I want to enter my position. It went through. It triggered my lowest at 3255 before moving nicely up to the current level now. And the current profit is 75 pips and 80 pips respectively. The other two trades, one is Euro AUD. I didn't cover this in the earlier analysis, so I just show you. It's just a pattern breakout. You can see the triple bottom, and then there's a resistance level here. I took an earlier trade because there's a tendency that it's breaking up, because the price didn't go down after this shooting star or pin bar formation over here. So it doesn't really go down, so I just took the trade when the candle passed the high of the previous two candles. So far so good. It's been 32 pips, while for AUD I'm still holding at 73 pips, but I already closed most of the position and only left 0.1 lot for experiment. Just for your info, I like to experiment when I trade, so I don't close all my positions. I will leave maybe like 0.1 or 0.01 just to see until which level does the price go. Once I feel like it's already like too much, for example like this 72 pips, I'll just close my position. So far the trade has been so good. Like I mentioned, 80 and 75 pips already like very good, and maybe you can minimize your stop losses, maybe closer a bit. Don't put at your entry level, because there might be a tendency that it goes back to hit your entry level before it goes back out. Last time I used to encourage people to do a break-even stop, but nowadays after I experiment a lot, it's best that when you enter the market, you only whether gonna lose the portion that you are willing to risk, or you make as much as possible according to your risk to reward ratio. So as for me, when I trade, I already know upfront that I'm gonna lose 3% or up to my stop losses whenever I trade. So let's say if I already profit like 20 or 30 pips, I won't set my stops to break even. So even if it goes back down, I'll just leave it open. But if it goes even lower, then only I will close the position. So I hope you learned a lot from this video. If I got time, I'll do more video like this in the future. Till then, happy trading and see you in my upcoming videos. Thank you.